Hi, friends. How's everyone doing? Today, I'd like to speak about what are you waiting for from your divine masculine, and this is a special message for the divine feminines. And this is something that I've been working on towards for my journey as well. And this has helped me give a new perspective and understanding of how do we perceive the divine masculine. And this is the issue that everyone is getting stuck at. Unfortunately, in this world, there is very less ideal and a healthy example of a divine masculine and a divine feminine. So we aren't able to perceive and make an exact love list because we believe that we will not get what we totally desire of. And when I say that, I feel like explaining this further. Like if I ask you to make a love list for your divine masculine, or how you would like to attract your twin flame, you'd write the things that you have liked in your previous partners, or you've seen that in your parents, or examples from your real life, and you pick them up and put them on the notebook. But even beyond the qualities that you've written down, like let's say you've written sincerity, honesty, you've written down the presence, respect, mutual respect. You'd want them to be with you, be present with you, support you in your life purpose. There comes a point where you're not able to think beyond or write a love list that you'd ideally want, even beyond a certain point, because the reason for that is either you've not seen it in your real life, or you believe that how am I going to attract something so good? If I write this down, it's never going to happen, or it's never going to come. And that's the reason why it doesn't happen, because you have this strong belief that is blocking your energy of attracting what you totally desire. So I suggest first is look at right now from the standpoint of your current energy. What are you expecting from your divine masculine today? What do you desire from them? And I'm not even saying just your twin flame as your masculine. You can write a love list, like a list of what you desire from all masculines in your life. Say from your brothers or your father and your guy friends, your teachers, your guides. And in the past, who have the masculines who have been in your life in different forms of relationships, like uncles and drivers, or whoever you've seen in your life. Make a list of the good qualities that you desire from every masculine. Expect that from every masculine, and more of what you'd like to see. For example, let's take of a brother that you want that security, safety, understanding. You want to play with your brother, have a relationship of play, and you want the healthy education system with your brother, you educate each other about your life, like a continuous renewal of your energies, and looking at encouragement, acknowledgement, all that you desire of all the masculines in your life. Once you've made that list, sit down and do the inner work. What that means is feel those places where you haven't felt that, where you haven't received that, where you have felt empty in those places. Feel those empty places and start filling them up with those energies. Revise those energies. This is kind of breaking your old vows. Somewhere you have blocked these energies from coming in because you felt that you're not going to have it. You're just going to have whatever you've had. Maybe you've had an absent father, maybe you've not had a father growing up, or maybe you've not lived with a brother, or you've not had that many guy friends in your life. And I'm taking this from feminine's perspective to a masculine, and same applies to a masculine. If you're watching this, see where you have had an absence of a sister, absence of a mother, absence of a feminine female friend, a good partner, a good girlfriend as well. So in your past, like your teachers, even like the guides, the positive things that you have desired, so desired to receive from them, that you crave so much, and that you chase your feminine for, or you chase your masculine for, because you see them, you see your desires in them, and that's what makes you chase after them, but you're not giving them to yourself. And why I say that is, everything is available to you by grace of God, by God himself. So God is both masculine and feminine. God is a twin flame. So God in soul form, in your master soul is also feminine and masculine. You have both available within your source, within your heart, your reach. So you know what I mean when I say security, that feeling of security. You have felt it sometime in your life when you've been so deeply held and felt deeply secure by your dad or your uncle. You know what that feeling is. Then give those feelings to yourself. Sit down, see where you have been deprived, see that part of you that has been hurt, that has been ignored. Then give those energies to yourself. Give time. Maybe do this every day for like 21 days, 40 days. Give those masculine presence, the masculine footprint in your life, and acknowledge that you will receive, and you are already receiving that from God. Acknowledge God's presence in your life. Allow him to be the masculine in your life. Allow him to lead your life. Allow him to empower you. Allow him to bring situations for you, because he can do anything, right? Like he can make miracles happen in a second. And that's the masculine you should be attracting in your life. And you will attract the true masculine who is in completion, and that's who you desire. So, and that's who you deserve, because you are a complete feminine and you deserve a complete masculine. So allow yourself to sit down and look at all those places where you haven't given that to yourself, and feel into those places. Allow yourself to feel your feelings, love yourself there, and then receive those energies from God. Receive that all the time from God. Allow him to be the doer in your life. God is the doer in your life, so that you can be completely in your feminine energy. You never have to shift your energy or become the masculine for you. No, you don't have to. You already can access that energy within you and allow it to happen, rather than doing it for you. So I hope this has been helpful. Continue to do your inner work, do your mirror exercise, and write some comments of how and what kind of videos would you like to watch. I would be making more videos around this topic about empowering feminine. I'm having a workshop that's coming up on the 1st of October about feminine power. It's really important, because feminine is power and masculine is presence. So if we master our power, presence is naturally the outcome of that power. So join my workshop, connect with me through my website, contact me, book your interest session. I'd love to take you forward on this journey. It's a beautiful journey. Get out of your pain, get out of your miseries, and when you come out on the other side, it's massively beautiful. You reap the benefits in all ways, in 360 degrees. Of course you get your masculine, of course you get your feminine, and of course you get your dream life. All right, friends, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.